Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change video background using ShotCut application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my ShotCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to add the background for my video. For example, I'm going to choose background from my download album. Okay, I'm going to choose for example this one. Okay, I'm going to use this video as the background of my video, and then we're going to add the video we want to change the background. So I'm going to go to the PIP to add overlay. We can click on add overlay, and then you can choose a video you want to change the background. Okay, my video is here. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, this one. For example, I'm going to change the background of this video. So I'm going to add the video to my project. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to zoom in like this to fit the screen. You can use your two fingers to zoom in, and then now it's time to remove the background of this video. So we can click on the video, and then we're going to go to the cutout. Okay, and then you can choose remove background, and as you can see that the background of my video has been changed. Okay, and actually you can add cutout to the video if you want, like this. You just need to customize the size and also the opacity and the color as well. Go to the cutout if you want to add cutout to your video. Wait, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, like this. All right, and this is the final result. Okay, and once you're ready to export it, you just need to click on export here, but before it you can choose the resolution. Okay, and click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change video background using ShotCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!